I'm Dr. Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with Kane at Clintmore Animal Hospital, and I'm going to talk to you guys about how to identify dangerous lumps and bumps or masses that can be on your dogs. Most of my clients will recognize lumps on their dogs when they're simply just hanging out and petting and giving their dog some love, and they come across a bump, and then what they do is they make an appointment or they call me and they're like, hey Dr. Lindsay, we need to get this lump checked. I don't want it to be cancerous, and that's a very, very good thing for owners to do, is get these lumps checked. So what I'm going to talk about is what lumps are going to be really scary and what lumps you should be worried about versus lumps that aren't so scary and lumps that are very common in dogs. On Kane here, I can feel a lump over here by his hip, and this lump is firm and it is freely movable. So that can be confusing, and as a vet, I've seen a lot of lumps, and this one, the two things I would be worried about it being is either a cyst that could be in there, which is non-cancerous, a fatty lump, which is very common in golden retrievers and labs, or it could be a cancerous mass. So what you want to do in this case, in any case with lumps, is bring them to the veterinarian and have them do an aspirate of that, where they poke a needle into the mass and they get some cells. And then they send these cells to a lab where the lab is going to read them and let you know if that's a cancerous mass or something that's benign, like a fatty tumor. So normally at home, you'll be petting and feeling your dog up, and you might feel these little lumps underneath their neck or their jawline. Those are normal, those are lymph nodes. But if they are very hard and enlarged, that can indicate lymphoma in a dog. So always remember to get these lymph nodes checked if you feel like they're bigger than normal. So those lumps can indicate cancer. Other lumps, or an area where lymph nodes would be, is right here by the shoulder blades. You'll have lymph nodes, and then there's some back here behind the leg is where some lymph nodes are. And if these are hard lumps, then that's something you definitely want to get checked, because that can indicate lymphoma or any other cancer. Lumps that are going to be on the side that you feel, you might be able to get your hand underneath them and they're freely movable. Those hopefully would be a fatty lump. But if there is a lump like this one that Kane has that's hard and firm, but I can still get my hand underneath it, that's something that I'm going to check. I'm going to check them all anyways, but this one could be a cyst or a cancerous lump on him. But really the main thing is, if you notify or if you see a lump on your dog, you want to get it checked by your vet. Thank you guys for watching this video. Kane was such a good boy for letting me feel his lump. And I hope this video helped you get an idea of what a cancerous versus a non-cancerous lump or mass will feel like. If it did help you, hit that subscribe button and tell your friends about this. And I hope to see you guys back next week for some more videos.